What's up, guys? This is Tune Pulse Insider, bro. Like, I just wanna say, like, thank you to everyone who subbed to my channel, bro. Like, this is a surreal moment, bro, in my life, bro. Like, it was just an experiment, bro. The Adele video that went viral, bro. Like, it was just like a kind of an experiment, bro. Like, and the experiment turned out to be a blessing, bro. That video just went viral, bro. Like, shout out to the US, UK, Germany, bro. All the countries who showed love, bro. Fuck with you all, bro. Like, you don't know what this means, bro. Like, it means a lot, bro. Like, to 12,000 subscribers, bro. Like, I never thought 12,000 people would subscribe to a channel owned by me, bro. Like, it's a surreal moment, bro. Like, the views, bro. Like, 20 million views, bro. Like, it's a very important accomplishment, bro. Like, I never thought I would be here, bro. I swear to God, bro. Without you guys, bro, like, none of this would be possible, bro. Like, I just wanna say I'm thankful, bro. Like, I'm just gonna acquire all the right licenses, bro. Like, I'm gonna bring a blast. Like, the main purpose of the channel, bro, is to bring love, bro. It's like an escape world in which, bro, like, you can just listen to some music, bro, get some motivation, bro. Like, on first time, bro, like, be in that zone. I'm like from South Africa, bro. Like, sometimes I'm gonna use the original language in which I grew up using, bro. Like, bro. Like, even South Africa, bro, have been showing nothing but love, bro. Like, I just wanna say, like, like, or like, I get ring, bro, cause like, this is like a dream, bro. Like, it's like a movie, bro. Like, or in Zulu, bro, nyabonga, bro. Like, serious, it's like a surreal moment, bro. Like, I don't even know how to react. I don't even know how to even post, bro. Like, cause like this, everything is coming in a rush, bro. Like, I don't even know how to manage and control everything. But yet, bro, I'm trying, and like every day I'm getting better. Yeah, feel me, bro. Like, all the videos are behind the cell phone, bro. Like, I'm just looking forward to acquire a computer, bro, so that I can edit and like drop the dopest and meaningful content, bro. Like, some insider in the industry, bro. Which as artist you wanna see the most, bro? Like, I got you all, bro. Like, it's just like an escape world, like the Tune Pulse Insider, bro. Like, I just want it to be an escape world for everyone, bro. Like, if you are feeling down, bro, like things are not going your way, bro, I just want you to just get in the channel, bro. Like, get some nice music, bro. Like, music heals, bro. Like, you know, like, I believe like music heals, bro. Like, it touches a lot of things, bro, in which, bro, you cannot even explain. Like, I just wanna say, oh shit, I just wanna say, like, thank you from the bottom of my heart, bro. Like, just keep on subscribing and sharing, bro. Like, I cannot even thank you guys enough, bro. Like, the 12 to 13,000 subscribers, bro. Like, it's crazy, bro. It's out of this world, bro. Like, I just wanna say, like, my appreciation, bro, towards you guys. Like, you made this a dream, bro. Like, the journey has been so wild, bro. I can't wait to share my journey, bro. Like, I can't wait to be more in groove, bro, in rhythm, bro. Like, I promise you, bro, this is gonna be the best channel in 2026, bro. Like, I'm just gonna bring some crazy insight, bro. Like, the ideas I have, bro, like the content I have in my mind, bro, like, it's mind-blowing crazy, bro. Just sit tight, follow, then like, I got you. I promise I got you, bro.